Prime Minister, we have listened to your charge. We are committed to the process. Nomination day. It's February the 8th. And the day we continue with the Jamaica Labour Party in control is February the 26th, is election day.
Yes, sir. Jamaica is on the right road and the choice is clear, you know. We can't afford a standstill, got to make the economy grow. Now, choose for a dark orange like them, they want to stop us now. But prosperity bells are ringing now, and the green we have to go. So give that green light, and to give that green light. Oh, give that green light. Come say give that green light. Frida, give that green light. Jamaican people, JLP say building. Anything less, we not here. Building for you and your baby. We will build up Jamaica along with JLP. Yeah. Build a better life for you and for me. We'll keep building Jamaica. So vote for the JLP. Yeah.
You're hearing the date. Let us acknowledge the management and staff of the convention center, the police and all the media workers that gathered here to take the message. Let us acknowledge our social media warriors that has taken the message on the various social media platforms. We salute the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force who have been with us on the Jamaica Fire Brigade. We acknowledge the President General of the BITU, the largest and the best union in Jamaica. The 8th of February, you must make sure you go to your nomination center with your $15,000 on your nominees. And on the 26th of February, you must call me and tell me that you turn councillor on the Jamaica Labour Party. There's one majority in every parish. St. Thomas, are you ready, St. Thomas? Portland, you ready? St. Mary, are you ready? St. Anne, are you ready? Trelawney, you ready? Hanover, are you ready? Westmoreland, are you ready? St. Elizabeth, are you ready? Manchester, are you still? Caan, are you do? St. Catherine and Kingston and St. Andrew, St. James, are you St. James? Let us stand for the party's anthem.